Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I make a new shopping list now. I make a new shopping list now. I look for my small leather wallet. I look for my small leather wallet. I check the cash inside my pocket. I check the cash inside my pocket. I take 2 clean fabric bags with me. I take 2 clean fabric bags with me. I count my total money very carefully. I count my total money very carefully. I lock the main wooden door tightly. I lock the main wooden door tightly. I step out onto the sunny street. I step out onto the sunny street. I call a local rickshaw driver loudly. I call a local rickshaw driver loudly. I enjoy the fresh, cool morning breeze. I enjoy the fresh, cool morning breeze. I arrive at the big shopping mall. I arrive at the big shopping mall. I pay the small fare to the driver. I pay the small fare to the driver. I walk through the giant glass entrance. I walk through the giant glass entrance. I pull a clean steel grocery trolley. I pull a clean steel grocery trolley. I read the large, colorful directional signs. I read the large, colorful directional signs. I enter the fresh food zone first. I enter the fresh food zone first. I look around the beautifully lit store. I look around the beautifully lit store. I notice many friendly people around me. I notice many friendly people around me. I find the organic vegetable section easily. I find the organic vegetable section easily. I smell fresh, sweet fruits from far away. I smell fresh, sweet fruits from far away. I choose 3 big green broccoli bunches. I choose 3 big green broccoli bunches. I touch the smooth orange carrot skin. I touch the smooth orange carrot skin. I select 4 ripe yellow bananas carefully. I select 4 ripe yellow bananas carefully. I drop 5 red organic tomatoes inside. I drop 5 red organic tomatoes inside. I weigh my fresh onions on the scale. I weigh my fresh onions on the scale. I pick a single heavy purple eggplant. I pick a single heavy purple eggplant. I lift a bag of crisp green spinach. I lift a bag of crisp green spinach. I inspect the quality of the potatoes. I inspect the quality of the potatoes. I put a yellow pineapple in my cart. I put a yellow pineapple in my cart. I gather all the healthy food items together. I gather all the healthy food items together. I ask a helpful shopkeeper for assistance. I ask a helpful shopkeeper for assistance. I inquire about the current discount offers. I inquire about the current discount offers. I want to know the vegetable price. I want to know the vegetable price. I double-check the final expiry date. I double-check the final expiry date. I request a smaller size clothing item. I request a smaller size clothing item. I follow the polite worker to the shelf. I follow the polite worker to the shelf. I receive a nice recommendation from them. I receive a nice recommendation from them. I understand the store policies very well. I understand the store policies very well. I move toward the long checkout line. I move toward the long checkout line. I wait patiently for my turn to come. I wait patiently for my turn to come. I place my items on the counter belt. I place my items on the counter belt. I watch the cashier scan the digital barcodes. I watch the cashier scan the digital barcodes. I hear the continuous electronic beep sounds clearly. I hear the continuous electronic beep sounds clearly. I look at the total billing monitor screen. I look at the total billing monitor screen. I take out my plastic debit card safely. I take out my plastic debit card safely. I tap my office smart card on the machine. I tap my office smart card on the machine. I fill my canvas grocery bags completely. I fill my canvas grocery bags completely. I balance the heavy weight in both arms. I balance the heavy weight in both arms. I double-check my wallet and phone keys. I double-check my wallet and phone keys. I push the empty metal trolley back neatly. I push the empty metal trolley back neatly. I leave the cool, air-conditioned mall space. I leave the cool, air-conditioned mall space. I look around for an empty yellow taxi. I look around for an empty yellow taxi. I open the passenger door frame wide. I open the passenger door frame wide. I load my big shopping parcels inside carefully. I load my big shopping parcels inside carefully. I tell my home address to the driver. I tell my home address to the driver. I lean back to rest after the long task. I lean back to rest after the long task.